Welcome to Home of Math. In this video, we are trying to solve 4 math about simplify exponents. This is very important for international students, especially GCSE, Grade 10 and SET exam. Let's start. First one. Here is 16 to the power x minus 144 to the power y divide 4x minus 12 to the power y. Look, here is 16 and 144 and in denominator 4 and 12 something has relation. What? Look, 16 we can write 4 to the power 2 and to the power x minus here 144 we can write 12 square then to the power x, or we can write like this 12 square to the power y divide 4 to the power x minus 12 to the power y. We know about this thing which is a to the power n to the power m. We can write a to the power m to the power n, or we can write a to the power m times n. Everything has possible. So this one we can write like this 4 to the power x to the power 2 minus 12 to the power y to the power 2, right? Then here is 4 to the power x minus 12 to the power y. Now look, this one it's looking a square minus b square, right? 4x like a, 12 to the power y like b. So this one is looking a square minus b square. We know the theory which is a plus b times a minus b. Similar, we can write like this 4 to the power x plus 12 to the power y times 4 to the power x minus 12 to the power y. In denominator 4 to the power x minus 12 to the power y. So look, we can cut this one. So our answer is 4 to the power x plus 12 to the power y. Very simple math but very important math. Number 2. 3 to the power n times 9 to the power n minus 3 divide 27 to the power n minus 1. So this one we can write like this. This 9 we can convert to 3. So 3 to the power n and 9 we can write 3 square and here times n minus 3. This 27 we can write 3 cube and here times n minus 1, right? Then 3 to the power n plus 2n minus 6. How? Because we know a to the power n times a to the power m equals a to the power n plus m. Once base are same, that time power will be add. Once we are trying to multiply. Similar, here is 3 to the power 3n minus 3. Now here is 3 n plus 2n means 3n minus 6 divide 3 to the power n minus 3. Then look, here base are same. So in division, once base are same, that time power will be subtract. So 3n minus 6 then minus 3n plus 3. So 3n minus 3n will be out. Here is minus 6, here is plus 3. So 3 to the power minus 3. we can keep this answer up to here, or we can write 1 divide 3 to the power 3 equal 1 divide 2 to the power 2, 27. Number 1 and 2 we already completed. Now number 3, here is 13 to the power x plus 13 to the power x plus 2 divide 3 times 13 to the power x minus 13 to the power x, lots of 13. So this one 13 to the power x plus, we know a to the power m plus n, it means a to the power m times a to the power n. We can separate like this. So this one also same, we can write 13 to the power x times 13 square. Then here is 3 times 13 to the power x minus 13 to the power x. So here we can take common 13 to the power x, so 1 plus 13 square, right? Then in denominator we also take common 13 to the power x, so here is 3 minus 1. Okay, now this 13 to the power x we can out, and here is 1 plus 13 square means 169, and here is 3 minus 1 means 2, so here is 170 divide 2, it will become 85. So 85 is our answer. Okay, very easy way we simplify this exponent. So number 1 to 3 done. Now we will start final math of this video. Number 4, here is 3 to the power 5x times 81 to the power 5x times 3 to the power 3 divide 9 to the power 8x. So here is 3 to the power 5x we can write times 81, we can write 3 to the power 4, and here times 5x times 3 to the power 3, and divide 9, we can write 3 square times 8x. Okay, look how we write this one, because a to the power n to the power m, we can write a to the power n times m. Okay, now look, this one 3 to the power 8 times 2 means 16x. In numerator here is 3, all base are same, so we can make addition all the powers. So 5x plus, here is 4 times 5 means 20x plus 3. Okay, then this one is 3 to the power 25x plus 3 divide 3 to the power 16x. Now in division law we know a to the power n divide a to the power m equals to a to the power n minus m. So similar 3, because base are same 3 and 3, so power will be subtract because we divide this one. So 25x plus 3 minus 16x, right? Then 3 to the power 15x minus 16x, it means 9x plus 3. This is our answer. Okay, so we already complete our tasks for today's episode 1. We are completing 4 math. Next video we will try to solve at least 3 math. Till then, don't hesitate to make comments about the math, or if you have any question, put on your comments, just comments box. And my request, don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.